Hi, how you doing everyone? Please welcome back to Learning English with TSK. For today's lesson, we still focus on the present continuous or present progressive. But you remember for the previous video, we studied about the three forms of the present continuous, which is negative form, positive form, and question form. Alright? But also today, we still not go far away from the three forms of the present continuous or present progressive. But it is very important. Verb plus ing spelling rule, which is very important for the form. The three forms of the present progressive. Are you ready? Now, let's study together. Verbs ing spelling rules. For speaking, the spelling rule is not important, but for writing, it is very, very important. Okay? But don't worry, I will show you how to use it correctly, unless you try to study. Okay? Come on, let's go. Rule number 1. Verbs ending with W, X, Y, we just add ing for ing spelling rule. Again, rule number 1, all verbs ending with W, X or Y, we add ing to the verb. Just remember, you don't need to understand, just remember the verb. Now, look at the example. Snow. Do you see W? Yes, it's W at the end of the verb. And then we have snowing. Okay? Snow, S-N-O-W. W is one of the words in the rule number 1. That's why you don't need to do anything. We just add ing after the verb. That's why we have snowing. Okay? Fix. We have fixing. Okay? Box. What do you see at the end? X. And then the rule number 1, W, X, Y at the end of the verb, we just add ing. So we have boxing. We have boxing. Grow. What do you see at the end of the verb? The W. So the W is one of the three in rule number 1. That's why you don't need to do anything besides adding ing. So what do you say? Growing. Growing. Cry. Cry is also one of the three in rule number 1. So you don't need to do anything besides adding ing form. We have crying. We have crying. Alright? Let's go to another verb. Fly. Fly, we got Y at the end of the verb. And you are going to add only ing form. We have flying. We have flying, right? How about study? Y at the end of the verb. So Y is one of the three in rule number 1. So we have to add ing form. We have studying. So, snow, snowing. Fix, fixing. Box, boxing. Grow, growing. Cry, crying. Fly, flying. Study, studying. This is rule number 1. Okay? Let's go to rule number 2. Verbs ending with IE. Remember? IE together. Not I and then add the letter and then E. No, just ending in IE together. So, the rule says we need to change to letter Y and then plus ing. Again, verbs ending with IE together, just change IE to letter Y and then add ing. Okay? Look at this point. Lie. What do you see at the end of the verb? IE together. So, the rule of spelling verb plus ing is just change IE to Y and then plus ing. Okay? Erase IE and change L and change to Y plus ing. So we have lie, lying. Let's go to another verb. Tie. What do you see at the end of the verb? You see the word tie, I and E together. So before we add ing, we have to see the rule. The rule says verbs ending with IE together, we cannot just add ing straight away. So you have to change IE to letter Y and then plus ing. We have tie, tying. How about die? IE together. So erase IE and then change to letter Y. The last one, ing. Okay? How about vi? IE. So erase IE and change it to Y and then plus ing. Vying. How about high? Also the same. IE. Erase it. Change to Y plus ing. The pronunciation is still the same with the infinitive. Lie, lying. Sounds the same. Tie, tying. It doesn't mean that based from the verb tie and then we go to teeing. No, it's still tying. The same sound, like with the infinitive, alright? So, die, dying. Vie, vying. High, highing. Okay, so this is the end of rule number 2. Go to rule number 3. Verbs ending with just one E. Verbs ending with just one E, not two E, just one E. Think about it. One E only, alright? So the rule says verbs ending with just one E, we have to erase E, letter E. We have to erase letter E and then add ing. Erase letter E and add ing. For example, make, only one E at the end of the verb. And then you cannot use verb ing spelling rule by adding ing, okay, to the verb make. No. We have to erase E and then add ing. Making. Making, right? Let's go to another one. Can you see the word dance? E is at the end of the verb. Only one E. So when we add ing form, we have to erase E and then plus ing. Dancing. Dancing. Bake. E at the end. ing. Baking. No E. Okay? Rake. E at the end. It's single E, not double E. I mean, not two E, right? Only one E. We have to add ing form. Ride. Riding. Save. Saving. So, everything we use in rule number 3, you have to follow by the example here. Verbs ending with just one E, erase letter E and then plus ing. You cannot just add ing to make with E together like that. No. Before we add ing to the verb, we have to erase E. Alright? Let's go to another one. Rule number 4. Verbs ending with a CVC word. So what does it mean, CVC word? CVC word, it means C is a consonant, V is a vowel, C is a consonant. Again, CVC means C is a consonant, V in the middle is a vowel, and C in the consonant and it's a consonant. So CVC word is like that. Now have a look. Verbs ending with a CVC word, before you add ing to the verb, you have to double the last consonant. Before adding ing to the verb, you have to double the last consonant. Okay? Now, let's go. Shop. H is a consonant, O is a vowel, P is a consonant. So, C, V, C. You cannot just add ing straight away to the word shop like that. You have to follow the rule. So, before you add ing to the verb, you have to double the last consonant. So, which one is the last consonant? Which one is the last consonant? Is it H is the last consonant? Or is it P? So P is the last consonant. That's why before you add ing, you have to double one more P. You have to write one more P and ing. We have shop and then shopping. Are you clear? So now let's have a look at the other example. Okay, begin. Begin. So stress in the second syllable. You cannot say begin. No, begin. So begin, you stress at the second syllable, and then before you add ing, you have to follow the rule again. G is one of the consonant, I is one of the vowel, N is one of the consonant. That's why you cannot add ing to the word begin immediately. So before you add it, you have to double one last consonant is N. Not double G, double N and ing. Swim. What do you see? W is a consonant, I is a vowel, M is a consonant. So don't worry anymore. Just add ing and then double consonant. So swimming. Swim, the last consonant is M. So write one more M and then ing. Let's go to sit. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So before ending ing, you have to double the last consonant is T and ing. Okay? And now, let's go to the final rule. Rule number 5. Verbs ending in CVC and then like double last letter, when we have consonant, we have vowel, we have consonant, but only in this rule. Also rule number 5, we also talk about CVC, but the last syllable, no stress. The last syllable, no stress. One thing that you have to remember is, in this rule or rule number 5, we focus on the 2 syllable or 3 syllable, ending with CVC. For the first syllable, only 1 syllable, you don't care about it. Example like shop. And then we go straight away, double last consonant and then plus ing. And how about here? Ending with CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, the same rule number 4, but the last syllable, no stress. Okay? So you cannot double the last consonant, you just add ing. Look at the example. Answer. So you cannot pronounce answer. No, just answer. So sir here, no stress. No stress for the second syllable. You can pronounce answer. You cannot say answer. No, just answer. So you have to add ing only. CVC ending, and then the last syllable, no stress. Okay? Like example, this verb. What do you say? Do you say visit or visit? You say visit. Visit, no stress. That's why you cannot double the last consonant. You just add ing. Okay? Visiting. Alright? Let's go to another verb. Can you pronounce travel or you pronounce travel? Travel. So travel. So wall, there is no stress. So the only one way you use is an ing. Sorry. Offer. You cannot say offer. Offer. So offering. Listen. You don't say listened. Only listen. And then listening. Okay? So today we study about verb plus ing spelling rule. And in conclusion, we have got 5 rules of ing spelling rule. We got 5. And if you are not clear now, please try to see the video again and again. Okay? Before ending for the video today, I would like to say thank you for spending your most valuable time, okay, to watch this video. It is very important for you because it is the educational video. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video.